There are 6 main reasons why people purchase a whole house fan. The first 2 reasons are AC savings related. Reason number 1 is AC savings. A whole house fan can save you up to 50 to 90% on your AC bill. This is possible due to a scientific principle called thermal mass cooling. Thermal mass cooling is the process of bringing down the core temperature of your home via active airflow and heat extraction. The majority of air conditioning systems are closed-loop systems which can only recycle the same air over and over. With a whole house fan, as soon as you open a window and bring in that new fresh air, you're inducing thermal mass cooling. You're dropping the core temperature of the home by extracting heat from the mass of the home. The walls, the carpets, the furniture all hold heat. Why does this matter? The next day, the house takes much longer to heat up again, and your air conditioner doesn't have to come on until much later in the day, and that's where you see a reduction in AC usage and an increase in AC savings. Reason number 2 is also AC savings related, yet instead of direct savings, it provides savings in the form of extending the life of your HVAC system by 50 to 90%. Extending the life of your HVAC system can be crucial because many homeowners don't realize that the typical HVAC system can cost $8,000 to $12,000. Homes with custom systems could cost around $20,000 to $40,000. Having a whole house fan prolongs the inevitable replacement or repair. Furthermore, a whole house fan will extend the life of your roof as well by extracting the heat and moisture pockets from your attic. Reason number 3 is the feeling of instantaneous relief. If you were to go out and do any form of exercise and come back into your house, it doesn't matter how low the thermostat is set for. If you see a little desktop fan or even a ceiling fan, you're naturally going to gravitate toward it due to the sensation of moving air across your skin. It can make you feel instantly 10 degrees cooler. This benefit is available to you in any room of your house at any time with a whole house fan. Reason number 4 is also cooling and comfort related. A whole house fan is going to balance the temperature in the entire home. It is fairly common that in a 2-story house, the upstairs rooms are too hot, while the ground level rooms are too cold. A whole house fan creates equilibrium, balances the temperature, and makes every room in the home comfortable. Reason number 5 is eliminating odors. Whether they are kitchen odors, bathroom odors, or even odors related to crafts and home projects that involve smelly fumes, within 3 to 4 minutes, your whole house fan can give your entire home a complete air exchange. This will quickly and effectively eliminate any odors lingering in your household. Reason number 6 is one of the most important reasons: indoor air quality. If you want to stay healthy year-round, it is essential that you exhaust stagnant air, dust, airborne illnesses, and VOC gases. The American Medical Association states that indoor air pollution is directly responsible for up to 1/3 of our national health bill. The Environmental Protection Agency provided this astounding statistic. Indoor air is 2 to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air, even in the smoggiest metropolitan areas. Given those statistics, it's clear that in order to be healthy, homeowners need to exchange the dangerous indoor air with fresh, healthy air from outside. From cooling and comfort to savings and better health, the reasons for owning a whole house fan are practically endless.